Welcome to the Cleanster app. Here's how to add photos and videos for your cleaner. Begin by heading over to the Account tab and select Properties. Click the three-dot icon besides a property and select Edit. Navigate to the Property Photos and Videos option. Next, select the Add Photos option to begin a new collection. Proceed by entering a title for easy identification and also provide a brief description. Next, tap the plus icon to add media. You can choose between camera, photo gallery, or video gallery. Select your images and click Done. After the media has uploaded, click Save. Repeat this process for any other rooms and then press the back arrow to return. Thank you for choosing Cleanster for your cleaning needs. For more info, visit cleanster.com.